Hi, I am Dominic. I'm going to talk about a risk jobs. The job that I choose is snake venom instructor. Why I consider that job dangerous? Well, the reason is if the workers have no experience, may be bitten by the snakes, and that's dangerous because you are risk your life. This work consists of power and knowledge to control the snakes, to extract the venom safely to the worker. That is the problem. Extract the venom safely to the worker. It's a complicated process because there are times that snakes become larger or they have a deadly bite. However, not everyone thinks so. That is a dangerous job. Francisco Ruiz is a veterinarian at the National Institute of Health, ENS. He thinks that the snakes are estimated animal. The society views with fear because they ignore a lot of things of the snakes. Francisco, for 14 years, is dedicated to strike once a month the venom of different types of snakes. The process is not easy, and sometimes he facing with large specimen and with species of snakes whose beak can be lethal. The process of extracting the venom of antivenom develops very carefully. First, the animal calms down. Then, the snake is taken cautiously and finally ordered the front to get the most amount of poison. But sometimes the snake don't calms down, but that is a good point because when the snake is not calm down, you can strike a lot of venom that if the snake is calm down, don't calm down. But the dangerous thing in this moment is they can bite the worker and put in risk their lives of the workers. So that is the reason that I consider or I choose that this next venom extractor is a risk job. Thanks. Bye.